In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your entire screen in OBS Studio. Now, the first thing we need to do is click on the plus icon next to Sources and go and click on Display Capture. You can then give this a name and click on OK. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Capture Method and make sure this is set to Automatic. Now click on the drop-down next to Display and go and select your monitor or the laptop screen you want to record. Decide whether you also want to display the mouse cursor and then press OK. Now you should be able to see a preview window of what's currently being recorded. If it's not currently full screen, you can just right-click on this, you can press Transform, and you can press Fit to Screen. Now for the best recording settings, you want to make sure you're recording in 920 by 1080. So if you have a different monitor size, for example, if you have a MacBook computer, then it may be a different monitor size to 1920 by 1080. Now what you can do is you can click on File in the top navigation, click on Settings, in the left-hand side click on Video, and make sure your base canvas resolution is set to 1920 by 1080. You also need to do the same thing for the output scaled resolution as well, and then you can press Apply and OK. Now to ensure that you're recording in full screen, you can also go and drag the edges of this box, but just bear in mind that this can go in distort or change the quality of your video footage. So that's how to record in full screen. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.